Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix poor quality photos on your iPhone. So guys, many iPhone users complaining about that they're facing an issue of poor quality photos, that they whenever click any photo, the quality of the photo is very low or down. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix poor quality photos on your iPhones. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to to clean the camera lens. Sometimes dirt, fingerprints, or smudges on the camera lens can affect photos quality. Use a soft lint-free cloth to gently clean the lens. After this, you need to do is simply check your camera settings. Make sure your camera settings are optimized for the condition in which you are taking the photo. For example, you have to do is simply open the settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and go to the camera. Now simply tap on record video. If you do simply set it to 4K at 4K at 30 FPS. After setting is to this, then you have to simply tap on formats and you have to make sure that the high efficiency is enabled. After this, then you have to do is simply open the preserve settings and you have to make sure that the portrait zoom is enabled. So guys, after trying this, then you have to do is simply ensure that the sufficient lighting is here. Proper lighting is crucial for good photo quality. Make sure you are shooting in well-lit environment. Whether it's nature light, outdoor or sufficient indoor lighting, avoid shooting in low light conditions unless you are using night mode. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the general, tap on software update and check if there's an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your camera settings. Resetting your camera settings can sometimes fix issues related to the camera settings that may have been facing the issue. So guys, to do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix poor quality photos on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.